We're feeding them grapes. Look at them. They will wait for us to feed them. These are not normal deers. They come to you. If you say, come on, I got something for you, they'll come. And you feed them. And yeah, they would literally come to you. You'd be like, come on, come on. Yep. Look at them. And then if you get them, you give them something that they don't like, they look at you wrong. These deers got attitude problems. Get it. Oh, it went over there. Get it, get it. Where's this one at? Okay, dears, say later, alligator. Get it. Yeah, they eat it.